Introduction. Have you ever wondered why some websites appear at the top of Google's search results while others are buried on page 5 or page 10 where almost nobody clicks? The answer is something called SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. SEO is the process of improving a website so that search engines can understand it better and show it to people who are searching for related information. In simple words, SEO helps your website get more visitors from search engines without paying for advertisements. Today, search engines are one of the biggest sources of traffic for websites, businesses, blogs, and online stores. Millions of people search for information every second, and when someone searches for something, they usually click on the first few results they see. Very few people go to the second page of search results. That is why ranking higher on Google can make a huge difference. In this video, we will learn the basics of SEO step by step. By the end of this guide, you will understand how search engines work and how websites can improve their ranking. Let us start with the basics. What is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It is the process of optimizing a website so that it appears higher in search engine results. When people search for something online, search engines try to show the most useful and relevant pages. Search engines analyze millions of pages to decide which page should appear first. They use complex algorithms to rank websites. These algorithms consider many factors. Some of the most important factors include keywords, content quality, backlinks, website speed, and user experience. SEO helps websites align with these factors. When a website is optimized properly, search engines can understand it better. As a result, the website has a higher chance of appearing in search results. SEO is also known as organic marketing. This means you do not have to pay for ads. Instead, your website attracts visitors naturally through search results. This type of traffic is often called organic traffic. Organic traffic is valuable because it comes from people who are already interested in the topic. For example, if someone searches for best running shoes, they are probably planning to buy running shoes. If your website appears in the search results, you have a chance to attract that visitor. SEO helps make that possible. How search engines work. To understand SEO, we first need to understand how search engines work. Search engines perform three main processes. These processes are called crawling, indexing, and ranking. First, crawling. Search engines use automated programs called bots or spiders. These bots travel across the internet and discover new pages. They follow links from one page to another. This process helps search engines find new content. Second, indexing. Once a page is discovered, search engines analyze its content. They try to understand what the page is about. Then the page is stored in a huge database called the index. Think of the index as a giant library of websites. Third, ranking. When someone searches for something, the search engine looks through its index. It finds pages related to the search query. Then it ranks them based on relevance and quality. The most useful pages appear at the top. SEO focuses mainly on improving how a website performs during the ranking stage. The better your website matches search engine requirements, the higher it can appear in search results. Keywords. One of the most important elements of SEO is keywords. Keywords are the words or phrases people type into search engines. For example, someone might search for best laptop for students. Or they might search for how to lose weight fast. These search queries are keywords. When creating content for a website, it is important to include keywords related to the topic. This helps search engines understand what the page is about. However, keywords must be used naturally. In the past, some websites tried to rank by repeating the same keyword many times. This practice is called keyword stuffing. Search engines can detect this behavior. Today, keyword stuffing can actually harm your ranking. Instead, focus on writing useful content that naturally includes relevant keywords. There are also different types of keywords. Short keywords usually contain one or two words. For example, laptops or fitness tips. These keywords are very competitive. Long-tail keywords are longer and more specific. For example, best budget laptop for college students. Long-tail keywords often have less competition and can be easier to rank for. Content quality. Content is one of the most important parts of SEO. Search engines want to show users helpful and trustworthy information. If your content answers the user's question clearly, it has a better chance of ranking higher. Good content should be informative, accurate, and easy to read. It should provide real value to the reader. Content should also be well structured. Use headings, paragraphs, and clear explanations. This makes the content easier to understand. Another important factor is originality. Search engines prefer unique content. Copying content from other websites can harm your SEO performance. Creating helpful content also encourages people to share your website. This can bring more visitors and improve your website's reputation. On-page SEO. On-page SEO refers to optimizing elements within your website. This includes titles, headings, images, and internal links. The title of your page is very important. Search engines use the title to understand the main topic. Headings also help organize the content. Using headings makes your content easier to scan. Images should include descriptive file names and alt text. Alt text helps search engines understand what the image represents. Internal linking is another important technique. This means linking to other pages within your website. Internal links help users navigate your site and help search engines discover more pages. Proper on-page optimization can significantly improve search rankings. Backlinks. Backlinks are links from other websites that point to your website. They are one of the strongest ranking factors in SEO. When another website links to your content, it acts like a recommendation. Search engines see backlinks as a sign of trust. However, not all backlinks are equal. Links from high-quality websites are more valuable. Links from spammy or low-quality websites can harm your ranking. Building backlinks naturally is important. One way to earn backlinks is by creating valuable content. If your content is helpful, other websites may reference it. Another method is guest blogging. This involves writing articles for other websites and including a link to your own website. Technical SEO. Technical SEO focuses on the technical aspects of a website. These factors help search engines access and understand your site more easily. Website speed is one important factor. Slow websites can frustrate users and reduce engagement. Mobile friendliness is another key factor. Many people now browse the internet using smartphones. Websites must be optimized for mobile devices. Secure websites are also important. Using HTTPS improves trust and security. Technical SEO also includes improving site structure. A well-organized website helps both users and search engines navigate the content. Common SEO mistakes. Many beginners make mistakes when starting with SEO. One common mistake is focusing only on keywords and ignoring content quality. Another mistake is copying content from other websites. Duplicate content can negatively impact search rankings. Some websites also build low-quality backlinks. Search engines can detect unnatural link patterns. Another mistake is ignoring mobile optimization. If a website is difficult to use on mobile devices, visitors may leave quickly. This increases bounce rate and reduces ranking potential. Avoiding these mistakes can greatly improve SEO performance. SEO tools. There are many tools available to help analyze and improve SEO. These tools can help with keyword research, website audits, and performance tracking. For example, website owners often use analytics tools to monitor traffic. These tools show how visitors find and interact with a website. Keyword research tools help identify popular search terms. SEO audit tools help detect technical problems. Using these tools can make SEO more effective and easier to manage. Conclusion: SEO is an important strategy for improving website visibility. By understanding how search engines work, you can optimize your website more effectively. Focus on creating helpful content. Use relevant keywords naturally. Improve your website structure and user experience. Earn high-quality backlinks from trustworthy websites. And make sure your website loads quickly and works well on mobile devices. SEO is not a one-time task. It is an ongoing process that requires patience and consistency. Over time, these efforts can help your website rank higher in search results and attract more visitors. Thank you for watching this guide on SEO. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more educational content. And feel free to share what topic you would like to learn next.